Hello everyone, my name is Nicole and I'm here to talk to you about how you can make friends. Well, I know talked a lot about this and I can tell you that the best way is through your activities. Well, when my cousin started swimming, she was a little rude and quite isolated with the other children. But a few days later she made a lot of friends. That's all she has to do is to be more friendly and polite with the other children. Well, another way to make friends is my brother's way. He's quite young and he hasn't got a lot of friends, but he loves football. So, on his birthday party, he invited all the children of his football team. Then, the other children invited my brother to their birthday party, and that's how it all started. Well, another way to make friends is my way. Well, when I started volleyball, I was very shy. My mom and my friends told me to be more sociable. So, I started to speak with the other children about our family, our school, and our favorite lesson. I was very happy because I realized and I made a lot of friends. So, as you can see, it is easier to make friends through your activities with people who share the same interests with you, enjoy the same things you do, and feel the same way you do. Thank you for listening.